My name is Jackson, and today I'm going to be presenting you an example on a sales pitch for a company idea in an entrepreneurship class at Clemson. In this business idea example, I'm going to be showing you a company that is a digital marketing agency. The first way to start the presentation is to include the company message and goal. So for this is to strive for success and help clients grow their business with qualified leads to help clients execute sales. Next in the presentation, you will need to give the company's concept. For this example, the digital marketing agency has appointment setting, email marketing, social media, market research, and web design aspects of the company. Then you will need to identify the potential customers for the business. In this example business, the ideal customers would be small business owners and businesses who need more leads for their sales team. It's important to show this because you really need to have an idea of who your customers will be and how big that market is. Next in your presentation, you'll need to talk about the competitors for your business. In this example, I researched companies in Greenville that would compete, which one example is Fuel Digital Marketing. You also need to tell your audience what separates you from other competitors. The next section in your presentation that you need to go over is the competence section. When you're presenting this, you're going to need to talk about how your business is run. The next part of the presentation is very important. It's the cash part. You're going to want to present this and have a lot of research done before, because the main goal of a business is to create lots of revenue. So you're going to need to talk about the monthly cost and the revenue and how much profit you'll make. After the cash part of the presentation, you're going to need to talk about the value proposition. In this example, the first part of the value proposition is we have a faster delivery time than other agencies. After you talk about the value proposition, the next step would be to show the business model. You don't have to show the whole business model, but it's a good idea to put in some important factors. For this example of the agency, a lot of the work will be outsourced on the project and the employees will be freelancers. The final part of your presentation for your business idea is your needs and actions plan. This is important because it shows what you need to start your business, but also it shows potential investors what they're going to get out of it. I hope I was able to help you out with this presentation on how to create a business plan and present it to a class.